Yeah, I'm good here.
I've been all right down there. So bad now. I've been all right. Been all right. All right, ready?
Yep.
Drop your head for me. A little bit. Just a little more. There you go, good guy.
I do this every time I get in.
Between that seat.
Yep.
There you go. Get that other leg between them just a minute.
All right.
All right, now. I'm going to pull you back just a hair.
All right.
Now, how are you? You good?
Can I pull this other leg out? I'd be good.
You okay?
If I could pull this other leg out, it'd be great.
Get that one out. You got these.
Can you move it back? Can you move
back a little bit?
Yeah.
How about that?
That's good. That's good.
You can stretch it out. Can you stretch it out?
Yeah, I can do anything now.
Well, just stretch it out.
I am in rehab for 10 to 14 days. This thing is spectacular. Very nice. All the people I've met here so far have been really nice. And I'm about to sign a DNR form. Just in case anybody asks, I signed the DNR.